100 Beautiful, Modern Bathroom Designs, 2023. How to design, or renovate, your bathroom on a budget, with top tips and tricks. Just keep watching. Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Bathroom renovation can be a big undertaking, but it can also be a great way to update and refresh the look of your home. Whether you're planning a complete remodel or just want to make some small changes, there are many different options to choose from. One of the first things to consider when planning a bathroom renovation is the layout of the space. If you're looking to make major changes, such as moving plumbing fixtures or adding new ones, it's important to work with a professional contractor who can help you plan the project and ensure that everything is done correctly. Another important consideration is the overall style of the bathroom. Do you want a modern, sleek look, or something more traditional? There are many different styles to choose from, so it's important to think about what you like and what will work best with the rest of your home. When it comes to materials, there are many options to choose from, as well. For example, you can use tile, stone, or hardwood flooring, as well as a variety of countertop materials, such as granite, marble, or quartz. You'll also need to decide on the type of fixtures you want, such as a bathtub, shower, or both. In addition to these big picture items, there are many small details that can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your bathroom. For example, you can add new lighting fixtures, replace old hardware, or even paint the walls to give the space a fresh new look. Another important aspect of a bathroom renovation is the budget. The cost of a bathroom remodel can vary widely, depending on the size of the space, the materials you choose, and the complexity of the project. It's important to set a budget and stick to it, so that you don't end up spending more than you can afford. One way to keep costs down is to prioritize the most important changes you want to make. For example, if you really want a new shower, but can live with your existing toilet and sink, you can allocate more of your budget to the shower and save money on the other fixtures. Another way to save money is to do some of the work yourself. For example, you can paint the walls or install new hardware, which can save you hundreds of dollars in labor costs. Just be sure to only take on tasks that you feel comfortable with, and that won't compromise the overall quality of the project. When planning your bathroom renovation, it's also important to think about the long-term value of the project. While a luxurious spa-like bathroom may be desirable, it may not be the best investment if you plan on selling your home in the near future. Instead, focus on making practical updates that will appeal to a wide range of buyers and add value to your home. One of the most important things in bathroom renovation is the functionality of the space. While aesthetics are important, it's also crucial to ensure that the bathroom is practical and efficient. This means considering factors such as storage, lighting, and ventilation. Storage is particularly important in bathrooms, as there are typically many small items that need to be stored, such as toiletries, towels, and cleaning supplies. It's a good idea to incorporate storage solutions, such as built-in shelves, cabinets, or even recessed niches, into the design. Lighting is another important element of bathroom design. The right lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while poor lighting can make the space feel cold and uninviting. A combination of overhead lighting and task lighting, such as sconces or a vanity light, is ideal. Ventilation is also a key aspect of bathroom design, as moisture buildup can lead to mold and mildew. It's important to ensure that the bathroom has proper ventilation to prevent moisture buildup and keep the space fresh and dry. This can be achieved through the use of an exhaust fan or by opening a window. Another aspect to consider is the use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient fixtures. For example, low-flow toilets and shower heads can help to conserve water, while LED lighting can help to reduce energy consumption. Overall, bathroom renovation is a great way to update your home and make it more comfortable and functional. With the right planning and the right materials, you can create a beautiful new space that you'll love for years to come. It's important to consider the accessibility of the bathroom. If anyone in your household has mobility issues, it's important to make sure the bathroom is designed with accessibility in mind. This can include features such as grab bars, a walk-in shower, and a raised toilet. In conclusion, a bathroom renovation can be a big project, but with the right planning and approach, it can be a rewarding and enjoyable process that results in a beautiful and functional space. With a clear budget, a list of priorities, and a good contractor, you'll be able to turn your bathroom renovation dream into a reality. In the end, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video with your friends, and subscribe us if you haven't already, to watch new videos.